Want to sell online? You need the right tools. Two giants dominate the e-commerce arena: Shopify and Klaviyo. They're both powerful, but they serve different purposes. Understanding their strengths is key. This is your guide to navigating the Shopify versus Klaviyo landscape. Shopify is your all-in-one store builder. It's like the Swiss Army knife of e-commerce. You can create a website, list products, and manage sales, all in one place. It's incredibly user-friendly. Even beginners can launch a store quickly. Klaviyo, on the other hand, excels at email marketing. This is where it truly shines. It helps you build lasting relationships with your customers. Think targeted campaigns and personalized messages. This boosts sales and builds brand loyalty. Choosing between them isn't about picking a winner. It's about finding the right fit. Let's explore their strengths and differences. This will help you make the best choice for your business. Shopify is a giant in the e-commerce space. It boasts a massive market share. Millions of businesses trust Shopify. Why? It offers everything you need to sell online, and it's incredibly easy to use. Shopify's intuitive interface makes setting up shop a breeze. You don't need coding skills, just drag, drop, and customize. It offers countless themes and apps. These help you create a unique and powerful online store. But Shopify is more than just a pretty face. It's packed with powerful features. You get inventory management, secure payment processing, and seamless shipping integration. Shopify simplifies the complexities of running an online business. This robust platform empowers businesses of all sizes. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, Shopify is the engine behind countless online successes. It's a testament to its versatility and power in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Email marketing remains a potent force in e-commerce, and Klaviyo reigns supreme in this domain. It's not just about sending emails, it's about sending the emails to the people at the time. Klaviyo excels at segmentation and personalization. You can target specific customer segments, craft compelling messages tailored to their interests. This level of personalization fosters stronger customer relationships. The platform boasts advanced automation capabilities. You can set up automated email sequences. These nurture leads, recover abandoned carts, and drive repeat purchases. It's like having a 24/7 marketing assistant. Klaviyo seamlessly integrates with Shopify and other platforms. This allows you to leverage your customer data effectively. By analyzing customer behavior, you can send highly targeted and effective email campaigns. It's about maximizing engagement and driving conversions. Shopify is the go-to choice if you're building an online store from scratch. It's your all-in-one solution. It handles everything from website creation to order fulfillment. Its user-friendly interface is perfect for beginners. If you need a wide range of features, Shopify has you covered. It offers a vast app store. This extends its functionality even further. You can find apps for SEO, social media marketing, and much more. Shopify is also ideal if you sell physical products. Its inventory management and shipping integrations are top-notch. It streamlines your operations and keeps your business running smoothly. In short, Shopify is your one-stop shop for building a powerful online presence. It's the foundation upon which you can build and grow your e-commerce empire. Klaviyo is the champion if email marketing is your primary focus. It's designed to maximize customer engagement and drive sales through targeted email campaigns. If you want to leverage personalization and automation, Klaviyo is the answer. It allows you to send highly relevant emails that resonate with your audience. This leads to higher open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Klaviyo is also a great choice if you have a large customer base. Its powerful segmentation tools help you manage your subscribers effectively. You can ensure that each customer receives the most relevant and engaging content. Ultimately, Klaviyo is the secret weapon for e-commerce businesses that understand the power of email marketing. It's the tool that transforms casual shoppers into loyal, repeat customers.